Today we're going to be learning about possessive nouns. Let's remember what we know about a noun. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. A girl, a bakery, or a cupcake. So those are all nouns. We know that. We also know what a plural noun is. A plural noun is when there is more than one of something. So here's a girl and here's another girl. So this is actually going to be girls. More than one girl is girls. And we add an S at the end of that word to show that it is more than one, to show that there's more than one girl. We don't just have one cupcake here, we have more than one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cupcake. Do we say 8 cupcake? No, 8 cupcakes. We're going to add that S at the end because it means more than one. Remember that we call that a suffix that we add to the end to change a noun from being singular to being plural. Let's look at this picture. I see a girl, I see a cupcake, and she thinks that cupcake is yummy. Listen to this sentence. The girl's cupcake is good. I just heard the word girls, but I only see one girl. Let's look at this word. The girl's cupcake. It is not more than one girl, but it has an S at the end. Let's look. Our noun, our root word is girl. But instead of just an S suffix at the end, there's this little thing right here. This is called an apostrophe. When we add an apostrophe S to the end of the word, it makes the noun possessive. It means that that girl owns that cupcake. It is the girl's cupcake. It is her cupcake. Let's look at another one. The teacher's apple is red. I only see one teacher, but I heard the word teachers, which sounds like it has an S at the end. Let's look closer at the word teachers. Again, this word, teacher, is a noun. It is a person. Instead of just an S at the end, we see that there is an apostrophe S at the end. So instead of it being a lot of teachers, this is saying that the teacher's apple, it is her apple. The apostrophe S means that she owns the apple. It is hers. Possessive nouns practice. Now we are going to practice when we use possessive nouns and when we use plural nouns. We're going to practice knowing the difference. We're going to do this first one together. It has a picture and then it has a sentence that's missing a word, and we have to decide which word would make the sentence correct. So here's a boy and he has a cupcake. Let's read the sentence. The blank cupcake is chocolate. So we have the word boys written twice. This boys just has an S at the end, which means more than one boy. This word boys has an apostrophe S, which means that the boy owns something in the sentence. The boy's cupcake is chocolate. Is it more than one boy, or does the boy own the cupcake? The boy owns the cupcake. It is his cupcake. So for this sentence, the correct answer is boys with an apostrophe S. You're going to click and drag it to the blank in the sentence. The boy's cupcake is chocolate. Then you'll go to the next slide.